trust me, bro. The name you know. Dropping knowledge bombs.
Hello, everyone. This is Trust Me, Bro. Welcome back to your podcast. Here's the latest onchain. The first Bonsai grant goes for Orb. We dive into Orna Open Actions, introduce you the Phaver Supergraph. We announce the Trusted Talent Spring Photos winner, showcase a words game frame, and wrap up with our beer taste section. This week with Sapporo, Japan's Brew. Let's kick things off, guys. Big news from last Thursday's Orb Spaces on Twitter. Orb has received the first ever Bonsai grant. They've been awarded a whopping 10 million Bonsai tokens to turbocharge their app. Massive, isn't it? This grant is not just a win for Orb, but a huge nod to all creatives and builders committed to reshaping how we interact with digital content. The funds will be used for enhancing Orb's platform, directly benefiting creators, contributors, and users through expanded features and rewards for engagement. With the launch of Orbi V2 and the introduction of collects, Orb has significantly advanced creator monetization in recent weeks. This grant is set to fuel their momentum even further, ensuring that Orb continues to be a leading platform for on-chain pioneers. The community's call for more incentives to retain their bonsai rather than sell has been loud and clear. Responding to this feedback, the bonsai team's decision to allocate the first grant to Orb is a strategic move to stabilize and enhance the creator economy. Stay tuned for more updates from Orb as they roll out new ways to engage with and reward their community. The Orb team is pumped to keep pushing the envelope and improving UX on the app. Congrats to the Orb team for this well-deserved recognition. Also, a massive shout out to the Bonsai crew for listening to the community and supporting groundbreaking initiatives within Lens ecosystem. Now let's move over to Orna Open Actions. Get ready for a game changer in how we collect and support creators, because the pay what you want feature has just landed on Orna. No more fixed prices. Just head over, create a collect, and name your price with a new tab right next to where the auction option coming soon is. This update is huge because it puts you in the driver's seat of your transactions. Inspired by none other than the music legends Radiohead and their pioneering Pay What You Want album release, Paul Burke decided to bring that flexibility and freedom directly to Orna. What's possible with Pay What You Want on Orna? Apart from just being downright cool, this feature opens up a ton of possibilities. Support creativity your way. Whether you're snagging art, music, or unique digital goods, you can now pay in a way that feels right to you. Transparency and freedom. On-chain transactions mean everything's out in the open and you can use any token you prefer. Tailored for fundraising. This model is perfect for raising funds where visibility and flexibility can increase participation. The team isn't stopping here. With auctions on the horizon, Orna is set to offer even more dynamic ways to interact with your favorite creators. Can't wait to see how auctions will spice things up. Have you tried it yet? If you've already used the Pay What You Want feature, what do you think? For everyone else, why not give it a go and see how it changes the game for your collections? A massive thank you to the Orna team and Paul Burke for pushing the boundaries of how we appreciate and pay for creativity. You guys rock. Next up, Phaver Supergraph. Phaver just leveled up. With the release of Supergraph in their latest app update, your posts are set to soar across not just Phaver and Lens, but also Farcaster, giving you unparalleled reach in the Web3 space. Dive in and make your first Phavercast. Supergraph will seamlessly fuse it all into one epic post. But wait, that's not all. There's more added features in the latest app update. On-chain integration, track your Lens, Momoka, on-chain quota, right on your My Accounts page. Ease of use. Keep an eye on your character count with a new indicator at the bottom right of your post editor. Enhanced engagement. Show off your protocol and level badges right on your profile avatar across feeds, comments, and user lists. Customization. Select what you see with a new custom feed filter. Community focus. Enjoy a cleaner community experience with a filter that separates KOL communities from holder communities. Bug fixes. Say goodbye to the comment navigation bug and enjoy smoother interactions. Why it matters, guys. Cross-posting between apps on-chain isn't just a convenience, it's a game changer. By integrating multiple platforms, Favor isn't just expanding your reach, it's creating a cohesive, interconnected Web3 social experience. With these exciting new updates, Favor is pushing the boundaries of what social media can do in the decentralized web. Hats off to the Phaver team for continually innovating. Keep making those connections, Favarians. And now the Trusted Talent Spring Photos winner. Thanks to everyone who shared their spring photos. The winner is Chaotic Monk. Congrats to Chaotic Monk, whose soaking yellow photo won this week's Bonsai prize and is featured in this week's newsletter. Check out the winning post link in the newsletter, guys. Stay tuned for our next contest and keep the Lensverse blooming. Let's take a sneak peek at this week's Farcaster frame selection. The words game frame on Farcaster is the latest craze where players hunt for words, type them in, and earn dig-in tokens for every correct answer. This interactive game has been rolling for a few days, each session buzzing with a unique topic and rewarding players handsomely. Latest twist. They've mixed things up with an assistant for the game. Remember, while you can still answer with an image, a typed response is necessary to snag those tips. Each word you find nets you a cool 420 dig-in. Why join the fun? It's not just about the rewards. This game is a fantastic way to engage with others, explore various topics, and indulge in a bit of friendly competition. Who doesn't love that? Shout out to Jay Valeska for building this one. Ready to play? Check the link in the newsletter. Let's wrap up with our beer taste section. Heading to Tokyo or just dreaming about it from home? Either way, make sure you get a taste of Japan's oldest beer brand, Sapporo. Brewed first in 1876 by Seibei Nakagawa, Japan's first German-trained brewmaster, Sapporo has more than just deep roots. It's a cultural icon. Originally crafted in the chilly climes of Hokkaido, it's named after its hometown and not just brewed there. You'll find Sapporo being produced across Japan and even globally in places like Canada and the US. What's on tap? Try the famous Sapporo Premium, which has been the #1 selling Asian beer in the States since 1984. Prefer something a bit different? Dive into their rich portfolio with Yebisu or the Sliman Cream Ale for a creamy sip. Sapporo's not just a beer, it's a taste of Japanese innovation and tradition. Next time you crack open a can, you're sipping on history that's still on the move. Cheers to exploring Sapporo. And that's it for this week. Please follow us across all socials and collect this post on Lens to support the show. Bye everyone.